Hey, what's up guys? This is Ian. Thank you very much for joining me once again for another video. And wait, wait lang. Hold on. Madelivery pala ako sa Shopee. Wait lang ah. What are you doing here? Okay, time for you to go. Say bye. 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 Weird. Did Pixel do the unboxing? But anyways guys, moving on, I'll discuss each and every one of this. Maybe there's nothing new about the out-of-the-box items that we have compared to the last number series release. But I just have to point out that we now have a 30-watt charger. This supports dart charging, and of course, it will be faster than the previous generation. And then we have the USB Type-C over here, which is very handy as ever, as always. Ooh. Okay. I'm sure he didn't show this. So we have a silicone case here. It comes with a dark tint on it, and maybe it's on the dark side. Pun intended, but yeah, I'll take it. And of course, we have these documentations that you won't probably read. I know that. What else do we have here? Oh, so this is the unit. So let's get it out of the plastic. Simple lang siya guys. And yeah, we also have a plastic here. And so we have the white variant. From the looks of it, it looks like the Realme X3 Super Zoom, only that it has a different texture at the back. So this smartphone brings a significant update from the last number series phone that we have. So now we are having a bump in the processor. So we have now the MediaTek Helio G95 processor. And of course, we have a new set, or we have a new stack of camera here. We still have 4 sensors, only that this is now a second generation of a 64MP AI camera. What else? We also have a juicier battery. Now, we have a 5000 mAh battery, and the smartphone now supports 30-watt fast charging, so that is way faster than the Realme 6. But of course, all of those are just in the spec sheet. What I'm interested right now is how this would fare up in real-time usage. So I will have my review on that, so stay tuned for that one. But for now, I will be giving you my first impressions about the handset. And I think my dog Pixel has unboxed it for you, so that makes my job even more easier. Okay, let's talk about the back panel first. So I've noticed that the phone comes with a split backing with a vertical stripe running from the top to the bottom. When you try to feel the surface, it feels similar to the Realme X3 Super Zoom that we reviewed a while ago. And it may be plastic, but it doesn't look cheap at all. In fact, the surface comes with a matte finish. Yeah, it's solidly built, and I also think that this is not a fingerprint magnet. Another thing that can be noticed right off the bat is the redesigned camera module. Gone are the vertically stacked cameras in favor of the rectangular module. This makes the Realme 7's design look a bit more 2020-ish. You know what? The camera module is a welcome redesign for me. And you can still see the power button at the right side. And of course, just like in the previous release, the fingerprint sensor is embedded in the power button. The volume keys are on the left side. At the bottom side, we have the USB Type-C, the 3.5mm audio jack, the microphone, and the speaker grill. The handset is quite thick at 9.4mm, but it's not that heavy at 197 grams. The Realme 7 still got the 6.5-inch display, just like almost all smartphone releases before it. We also love the 90Hz refresh rate in the Realme 6, and we love that the Realme 7 continues to feature the SAD refresh rate. There's also a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 coating for additional layer of protection for the screen. The Realme 7 is quite fast in our initial usage. And though the phone looks premium, I honestly think that the company has toned down a bit with the Realme 7. The design is not as flashy as the Realme 6 with a Comet design, or the Realme 6 Pro with a Lightning design. But in any way, I think it still looked good in the eyes. I think the display is quite solid despite the fact that we are still having an LCD panel. Realme has a reputation of having good LCD displays, and I think the Realme 7 is no exception. We are also pleased with the 5000 mAh battery. The handset is definitely hard to drain in one day. And of course, the 30-watt fast charging capability helps a lot. So based on my initial gaming tests, I also did not experience any heating issues that I experienced with the previous generation. And that's good news. So I think the Helio G95 processor is a very efficient chipset when it comes to power efficiency. Okay, from the looks of it, the Realme 7 may look like a small update from the Realme 6, but I think it ticks a lot of boxes that we may have missed with the Realme 6. I'm very excited to check this out and maybe use this for several days before I get my final judgment, so stay tuned for that. So anyways guys, thank you very much for joining me, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon for you to be updated whenever I post new videos. And I think that's all for me this weekend, and as always, wait, someone has to say goodbye. Wait up. Okay, take two. And I think that's all for us this weekend, and as always, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye! Bye!